लर्न फ्रेंड चैनल में आप सबका स्वागत है। चलो आज से हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं स्टैंडर्ड 10 का क्रैश कोर्स। हम लोग यहाँ पे स्टैंडर्ड 10 के सभी लेसन्स कवर करेंगे, इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भी कवर करेंगे। ओके, सो फॉर दिस एफर्ट्स प्लीज लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब। नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट। तो आज हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं लेसन नंबर 6 से। शैकुन से गुड। शैकुन मतलब एवरीवन, हर किसी को have their own taste, but इस chapter में we are not going to talk about taste. So here we are going to talk about everyone have their hobbies. So let us see which hobbies these people are talking about. So more pass temps favori means my favorite time, means my hobby, how I just pass my time for my hobbies. Now, Pauline passe un week-end chez ses grands-parents à la campagne. So, Pauline passed her weekend at her grandparents' house. À la campagne. Campagne means countryside, मतलब city से बाहर. So, Pauline is passing her weekend at her grandparents' house at countryside. Now, let us see Pauline. Koto Jada Ebu Mami. Here, Mami means her grandmother. She is saying her grandmother as Mami. So, Koto Jada Ebu Mami. तुम्हारी गार्डन कितनी खूबसूरत है ग्रैंडमा या नानी. Here she is saying Nani. Now, Beatrice. Merci ma chérie. Thank you, my dear. Le jardinage. C'est mon passe-temps favori. Means gardening. It's my favorite hobby. Now, Pauline, c'est toi qui t'occupe de ce jardin ici. It's you. Means you are say take care of this gardening. They are take care of this garden, Nani. Means she is asking to her grandmother. Now, Beatrice is saying, we just say they flirt. Yes, my dear, I saw the grains of flower. Means मैं फ्लावर के वहाँ पे बीज बोती हूँ. Et je plante des bulbes. और मैं वहाँ पे bulb प्लांट करती हूँ. मीन्स वहाँ पे बीज डालती हूँ. वहाँ पे बीज मतलब bulb मीन्स तना. वहाँ पे तना डालती हूँ. Je plante les bulbes. Ensuite, jeter le rose. Et j'arrose le jardin. After that, I में कटाई करती हूँ रोजेस की. एंड देन j'arrose the jardin. देन सब गार्डन को पानी देती हूँ. I water the garden. Tu vois, you can see le jardin sera fleuri au printemps. You can see this garden will become bloomy in spring season. Here, printemps means spring. Season, spring. A. Jadosa, and I love it. Pauline, regarde ces tulips. My dear Pauline, see these tulips. Pauline, celle-ci is so belle. Oh, mommy means here her grandmother. These tulips are very beautiful. Celles-là sont vraiment magnifiques. Now, these are really very magnifique. Mommy means grandma. Tu n'es pas fatiguée? So she's asking to her grandma, aren't you tired by doing all these activities? Patrice, no. Pour moi, the stress, il faut cultiver notre jardin. No, my dear, to just reduce my stress, it's necessary for me to cultivate a garden. Got it? Now, Pauline, Papi. So here Papi means her grandfather. She is talking to her grandfather now. She is saying, Papi, tu ne fais pas le jardinage comme mommy. You don't do gardening as grandmother, dear grandfather. Jean-Claude, who is he? So Jean-Claude is grandfather of Pauline. What is saying no? Je préfère la lecture. Selvilla. Okay. So what he don't like gardening. So what he prefer? He prefer reading. Reading of that one, that book. So he's talking about which book? Let's see. Cela me passion. It is my passion. Je viens de lire Roma Indian très célèbre Malgudi Days. So I just read via the lire. Which tense is this? Passé récent. Venir plus the plus infinity. Je viens de lire Roma India très célèbre Malgudi Days. I just read a book, very famous book. Which one? Malgudi Days. Pauline, Selvi, the Arcanaren. That one of Arcanaren. Oui, je lis, Pauline. Yes, Jacqueline is saying yes. I read that. Yes, he's saying yes. I read that book. And you? He's asking to Pauline. Tu lis, Pauline? You also read, Pauline? Oui, j'aime Harry Potter. You also read, Pauline? Means you have also this hobby of reading. He is asking to Pauline. So what Pauline is saying now? She is saying, oui, j'aime Harry Potter. Yes, I like to read books of Harry Potter. Les bandes dessinées means some animated cartoon. Astrid, Tata, j'aime aussi des romans policiers. And also like to read which type of books? Books of policier. Policier means some police, like police books. Quel est ton loisir préféré? So he is asking to Pauline, what is your hobby? What is your favorite hobby? Ah bien, j'aime regarder les films. Oh, I like to read. I like to watch movies. Got it?